Everyone, and welcome back to I Love EditorX. So today I want to talk to you about new feature that EditorX released like 7 days ago, which is the new layer selection method. So until now, when you select something, you basically need to hover it and directly you can select it. So let's see in the layers panel when I'm hovering this image. When I click on it, it selects the image. So the new feature set is now we can select which method to use, and now we have another method which is the parent first layer selection method. So how we can toggle between the options. So we need to go to view, layer selection, and then we can see the options. So let's see. We go to view, layer selection, and we can toggle between these two. So let's keep the child for now, and let's go over our layers. So we have section. Inside the section I have the background image, and we have a stack element. Inside the stack I have this H2 title, and then the paragraph. Inside this paragraph I have after this paragraph I have a container. I use this container for horizontal alignment inside stack element. So this container have a grid and have two items in it, the image and the paragraph. So basically the child first, this is the default, so I can directly select stuff, and if I, let's say, want to move the whole thing a bit to play around with the alignment, so what I need to do, I need to select the stack element, or from here to select the stack, and then I can drag it, right? But if I do this kind of thing, I drag the title, so the parent first, the parent container first allow us to be less careful, and then when I'm hovering something, I can hover this text and it select the stack. You can see because the stack is the parent of this H2 title. So if I'm hovering this H2 title and drag, so the whole stack is came with me, which is very good, very easy to change things inside the section or inside the stack or whatever. But still you have a shortcut to select the element, to toggle between. It's not toggling, we're still in the parent, but we can still select directly. Let's say I need to select this image, so by default, first click on this image, select the parent, which is the stack. Second click should select the container, because the container is the parent of the image. So let's see, I click again on the image and select the container, and only the third click it select the image. So what is the shortcut? Basically you need to click command, and then you can see when I'm hovering, it's hover the element itself, and then I can select it really easily. Again, I click command. Without command, you can see I'm hovering and it's showing the stack. It's like I'm going to select the stack, but if I click command, you can see I'm hovering and it show me you are about to select the text element. So this allow us to still use the parent container first method, but also have the option to select directly an element. But look how it's how easy it to use this element first. So that's it, and till then, keep building amazing site on EditorX.